5 business ideas you can develop with less than $1,000. First, online assistance service for the elderly. Provide support to elderly individuals for online activities, such as video calls, online shopping, and digital payments, helping them to be more independent. Clients could pay a one-time fee or a monthly subscription. If they face an issue they can't resolve, they contact you and you help them solve it instantly. Second, digital consultancy for parents of students. Offer online consultations to help parents improve their children's academic performance, with advice on learning strategies and study organization. Public schools often lack quality and don't prepare students for the job market. There are thousands of unemployed people, not because of a lack of jobs, but because people study the wrong subjects or drop out of school too early. An external consultant could guide parents on labor market trends, study planning, and academic pathways. A child's education should be like financial planning. Long-term, not haphazard. Third, attention builder for businesses. Businesses struggle to stand out on social media. To promote themselves effectively, they need to produce fresh, interesting content consistently. The role of an attention builder doesn't exist yet. This consultant could focus on growing a company's attention base over time by creating original, engaging content that sustains interest in the long run. Fourth, online games for the elderly. Social interaction is crucial for seniors. Unfortunately, the elderly are increasingly alone as they often have only a few family members, who are generally busy with work. With a small fee, they could join an online community to play games and learn in a fun way. These aren't typical courses, but rather light, playful sessions with others, providing entertainment and mental engagement. This allows seniors to spend 1 or 2 hours in enjoyable company while staying mentally active. Fifth, consultancy for small commercial space optimization. Many people with a limited budget rent small spaces to start a business. Offer consultancy to these individuals on how to optimize their space, not only architecturally, advising on suitable furniture, but also from a managerial perspective. How can a small space be maximized effectively?